and Andrew were off to a great start in the Honda, doing the first stage without any dramas. But, as these things go, it didn't last very long.
So what's going on, Oscar?
We're going to go save Dad. I think we're having some electrical problems, but he'll be right. We'll go suss it out and see if we can fix it.
In the car there were some electrical issues and the car was suffering from no power at all and was struggling in the stage, so they had to pull over.
And then about a cane of the stage, Steve, it started, the tacho stopped, which indicates to me it wasn't getting a power supply.
Yeah, the battery's absolutely dead.
Give it a rev. Hang on. So yeah, we had fun on the first stage. Car went really well, and started the second stage, and a kilometre in, and started getting some pretty bad interference with our intercom, which is normally a dead indicator that there's an electrical problem in the car, and sure enough, a couple of k's later the car ground to a halt. Lack of electricity, even though ironically I was in the middle of a wind farm in the AGL. Anyway, look, we got back to, the guys come and collected us, got back here to Burra, pulled the alternator out, and there's not really a lot of options, so John and Steve and Van and Oscar pulled it all apart and dismantled it completely, given it a good clean, and we're putting it back in on the hope that maybe a miracle happens, but we're not holding our breath. And Oscar underneath is... are you actually doing anything under there, Oscar, or are you just lying there supervising from underneath? So yeah, it's a long way to come for 1.5 stages, but I must say, I mean, on a positive side, the roads were really, really good. They were different. I was really looking forward to the rest of the event, considering the first stage is a good indicator.